Please bow your heads and just say to the Lord, Lord, give me peace. Help me to live a peaceful life. Remind me, Lord, na kung peaceful ang buhay ko, kotang-kota na ako. I don't need more money or wealth or influence, popularity. What for? I just want to have a peaceful life, and I just want to be an instrument of peace wherever I can, in whatever way I can. Help me to focus on the heart, not on things or people or circumstances that disturb my peace. And Lord, someday, after I have done my mission, may I be given the joy to rest in peace in your heavenly kingdom, where there are no more tears, no more pain, no more sorrows, no more problems, no more issues, no more hurts, and no more goodbyes, where you live and reign forever and ever.